Hello everyone. If you would like to convert an image to text, or it means that to convert an image to Word file, so for that we will simply come here. There is an online tool. Okay, its name is OnlineOCR. Okay, let's search it. So after searching it, just come here down. So you will see it onlineocr.net. Okay, press this. Here you will see, okay, first of all select your file. It has 3 steps. In the first step, select your file. Just come here to the desktop. On the desktop there is an image with me, and here you can select your language, and here Microsoft Word doc. Okay, let's press convert. So let's wait for 10 seconds. So it is processing right now. Okay, see, our image has converted to text. Okay, this is the text, and also you can download it as Word file, doc file also. So it was all about, okay, how to convert an image to text form or to Word file. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.